Bougie AF. You can now call me, I'm a vlogger now. I have got a microphone on the side of my camera, and I was speaking to Selena, who is editing these videos, and she let me know that the autofocus problem was probably a me thing, and I had it on face tracking rather than autofocus to the center of the camera. So hopefully now, yay, see, it focuses on the center. Yay, look. Okay, so hopefully this is gonna be better, because I actually prefer the Canon camera rather than the Sony. I just think it looks better, sharper and nicer. I'm currently sat on my floor. I don't know why, but I always like just sitting on my floor sometimes. I don't know. Today's, why are we lopsided? Hang on. Why are you tilting? Is that better? The mess behind me is all getting sorted out now. I'm going to do a quick slapdash clean around, just do a little spring clean. I've got bins going out and things like that. However, I've been given the go ahead to clean up the conservatory. Apparently the tiles are now safe on the roof, so I can actually go into the conservatory and clear up all of the glass. So I think that is what I'm gonna do. And I realised, naughty me, I didn't show you guys the garden planters that I bought from TK Maxx, so I will show you those as well whilst we're outside doing the rubbish. Yay! Because it's going to be a while until my wardrobes are actually sorted in the wardrobe room, I thought I need to have a side table and just make the background look a bit better than a blank wall. I'm also going to be painting the skirting boards. I'm going to be painting the floor again. We now have like a little bit of a hole going on in that ceiling because of the leak in the roof, so we're just going to ignore it for now. There was something else I was going to do with you guys. Is that Bella? Is that Bella Boo? Hello! Hello! Oh my gosh, guys. This morning I woke up and I could feel something in bed with me. For a moment I thought Ed was with me, and I turned around and I saw, hello, hello sweetie. Yes, she was asleep in bed with me. I will insert the little clip that I have of her here this morning. I had my hair in my heatless curls, which I'm actually loving at the moment. This side always flops, so I'm doing something wrong on this side, which I'll need to figure that out. But look, for a heatless curl, I'm really impressed. They hold so much longer as well. So yeah, I'm looking great in that video, but I'll show you guys because it was the cutest thing. And then about 5 minutes later, she started eating my toes, so it wasn't so cute, but yeah, she's great. I love her. Sleep underneath the duvet. Anyway, let's crack on. Hello, my little girl. Hello. Yes. You've eaten a whole sachet of food and you've got dry food down there, so don't look at the mess you've made. So don't speak to me as though you don't have any food, because we both know you do. I feel like you're really high up there. Can I put you in here? Ooh. Will that do? This is the epitome of adult life, but I am going to tell you about a food bin that I bought from Amazon because it's great. So when I lived in my old flat, I had one of those generic brown bins that you just get given from the council to go in your like cupboard or on your countertop to put your food rubbish in, but the lid never stayed open, so it would like flap whilst you were like trying to like clean your plate, and because I kept it in a cupboard I couldn't open it completely because the cupboard was too short. So I bought this bin from Amazon and I'll link it down below, but when you put the lid on, demonstration, I feel like I'm on QVC now, but the lid stays open. It used to stay open, oh no it does, so like when it's not really fully open it still stays open, and it's so handy. And the lid goes like over the bag, so the bag doesn't like slip down into the bin and then you don't have to like touch a soggy, gross candle. So yeah, fabulous. I bought that I think, yeah, from Amazon. They do it in different shades as well. They do it in like different colours. There was like a greeny stagey one that I really wanted, but it was out of stock, so when I link it, it may be in stock now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start clearing out all the glass in the conservatory. I don't know whether to get black bags or whether to get cardboard boxes. I think cardboard boxes. I think black bag has the potential to rip unless it's really strong, and I don't think I have like a really strong like industrial black bag. So I think I'm gonna get my boots on, get some cardboard boxes down and use those. And what an epic vlog you guys get to watch. You're gonna watch me clear up glass. There is so much water damage in here. Oh my god. Little girl. She ate all her food last night and now she definitely wants more. Better boo. I know you know your name. Yes, I know you know your name. Belly. Hello. She just wants food. Okay, let me feed her. It's that side. She went to the dry food and she was like, ooh, what's this? I was like, no, that's the wrong side. Oh dear. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday the 3rd, and last night, I think I left you guys when I was clearing out the glass in the conservatory. My camera battery said and I didn't really realise until I'd cleared up the glass. So I've cleared up the glass. I ended up cutting my fingers, which a bit of a silly idea of me not to put any like gloves on. So halfway through I did put some rubber gloves on that I will throw out once I've cleared up the rest of the little bits today. There was teeny weeny, like honestly nearly microscopic shards of glass, and that was what I was cutting my hands on. It got stuck to like my coat and stuff, so every time I like touched my coat I would like scratch my hands. And then don't know why, but Bella every night at 2 AM like wakes me up for cuddles, which is so cute, but I am also like, it's 2 AM and I was fast asleep, but she literally sleeps like where my belly is, which is fine, and I think it's really cute and I think it's quite comforting, but she does like meow at me on my face at 2 AM so I'd wake up and give her cuddles. So yeah, it's like having a child. So yeah, I'm blooming tired if you can't tell. Okay, let's see if this has worked. I'm about to do my makeup for an Instagram video. Ow. Moment of truth to see if this side has now worked better than the last time. Ooh. Ooh, very curly. I know it would drop. Wow. Ooh. It worked! Oh, I'm loving this. I just need to do the ends a little bit fried, but those ends are fine. It's this side. This side is always the problem, but this fringe is much better than this fringe. So I just need to go over that with the curlers, just... Or maybe I'll do Dyson for that. So I'm just about to sit down and have a little bit of late lunch. I just decided to get some greens. I try and get vegetables if I'm ever cooking. Oh, if I'm ever cooking anything, I'll always try and like throw in some veg. So I've just done egg on gluten-free bread with tomatoes and green beans, kale and asparagus. Trying to be a little bit more conscious of eating the right foods for me rather than just snacking on biscuits instead of actually sitting down and eating lunch. So I've just painted on a piece of paper some of the colours that I got made up from Valspar. This one was supposed to be like similar to Treron, and my mum had it made like a while ago, and it was a little bit lighter than Treron, but we actually preferred it, so I ended up getting this one made as well and a sample for me. Then this one is the La Plancha one, which is kind of like, it's almost nearly black but it's got a lot of blue in it. And then this one is Downing Street, which is pretty much I would say it's not black black, it's like a really, really, again, like dark grey, but it's less blue. I don't know if you can kind of see slightly, this one is darker in tone and this one has a lot more blue in it. I do love this, but I also like, I don't know. So this is the door kind of knocker that I bought. I don't know if I'm going to keep it yet, but that just looks so nice to me. Gold and like brassy tones with this colour is just so beautiful. But I also like it here as well. So I've painted this on the walls. Again, I'm going to have to see in the morning what are the shades. This last shade is the shade that I think I'm going to do in like my bedroom. But we will see. I just wanted to have a little go. So the top one is Dimity from Farrow & Ball. This is Strong White, which I thought I was going to go for, but it does seem really grey and I don't want to go for a grey. So I may have to go and get... Oh, I think I've got another sample downstairs actually that I got made up that was supposed to be like slipper something, so I'll try that out. And then this is Skimming Stone, which again I just wanted to double check, but not sure it's going to go into here. I want something bright, so let me go and get that other slipper one, and then yeah, we'll compare them all and we'll compare them during the day tomorrow. This is Magnolia, standard paint that's used on the walls. So it is quite yellow, so I think that's probably why it's throwing me off a little bit, but we'll see in the morning the difference with natural light. Okay, so these are the shades in daylight. I'm really, really unsure. I do like this one. I think this is like Slipper something in Farrow & Ball, but I don't know. I think I need to get some more samples. There's a shade called Wevet, I think, from... Is it Wevet? From Farrow & Ball? Farrow & Ball. I always say it wrong. I want to say Farrow & Ball, but it's not, it's Farrow & Ball. But yeah, these are the shades. Skimming Stone is something that I've wanted for like my lounge, and Drop Cloth I want for my bedroom and hallway, I think. But I'm not sure. My mum had this in the kitchen a few years ago and it looked really lovely. So I just don't know what to do. I haven't forgotten to show you the planters, so here they are in all their glory, and I am so excited. So these are the planters. I got 3. I got a really, I mean, it's actually huge. I got a large one, a medium one, and a smaller one, and they were an absolute bargain. I can't wait to plant like a nice tree in here with some like you can get some like flowers. I am really not green, okay? I have no idea what any plant is called, but you can get these flowers that kind of like drape over the edge, so I think I might do something like that with like a tree, maybe get like an olive tree planted in here. I don't know. I've seen some inspo things on Pinterest, so we're gonna go with that. My nan has green fingers, so she will help me a lot when it comes to planting things. So yeah, these are them, and they're gonna look so cute on like a decking area with like an outdoor sofa, on a fire. So yeah, I'm really, really happy about these. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know it's a really short one. I know it's very hickledy-pickledy, but I'm still trying to get used to like vlogging and try and get into the rhythm now that Selena is editing the videos for me. It gives me more time to actually create the content rather than editing the content. So I feel like Bella's gonna start scratching now. So if you can hear her scratching in the background. Look, I'm just happy it's not my sofa anymore. Good girl using a scratchy post. So I'm gonna leave this vlog here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.